We are going to use Sketches School. Also, when you search it, it might be Tayasui Sketches, just FYI. So, how it works is you imagine that you have your sketchbook at home, paper, but you open it up and you almost have an unlimited amount of pages. Click the plus button, the students or yourself will be presented with this screen. On the left-hand side, you can see that it comes with all of these utensils, the tools in your pencil case almost. However, it also comes with almost the entire colour scheme. So when I talk to the students about it, I explain it, you've got your sketchbook and you have every colour you can imagine in every style of pen. You have a pencil, you have a marker, you have a spray gun, etc. Now, how it could be used in the classroom. You could easily just get them to draw their character for their English assessment. You can export that as a PNG and import it into another app. There's a text button, there's a fill button where they could do something like that. 2-finger tap is undo. You could go through all of those. A nice way to introduce it to the students is say something like, I want you to design your name using different colours and different tools. So if I went through just something like this, and I would then maybe try another colour and go through, and you can see you've got a bit of a beautiful watercolour there. You can use this as a mini whiteboard. So if you had the problem or the discussion that you wanted to talk to the students about, if you have Apple Pencils, you could also use the dictation and get them to write it out, do a mini spelling test. But if you had the problem on the board and then you got them to show the working, let's say it's, what's 5 plus 3, and the students drew their 5 marbles and then they added 2 more. They can use a different colour if they want. And then they get 5 plus 2 is 7. And then you literally show the teacher, that's your mini whiteboard. Double tap, erase, removes the need for whiteboard markers and an eraser. You could also integrate the classroom app here so you can see the students doing the work without them having to show you, but the engagement of them showing their screen is really good pedagogical strategy as well. Sketches School, it has a plethora of uses all across the curriculum area. Have a go, see how you like it.